Hi everybody, I show you another type of banana. This is a plantain banana. I have 3 of them right now, and today I cook them by the steaming. I put the steaming rack here. That's not the, but let me show you. Because another day at Bonner. So this is steaming rack of some pot. I took it out. I took it and upside down, and I add some water in another pot. This is about like bigger. Another day I cook them, and I forgot to take it out. It's funny. No, I forgot to add more water, and then it's burned. So that's how I cook. It's a dried plantain. And you just go when it's ready. It show you the slitting light around here, so that's the time ready to take it out. I'll show you again. That's one of the way of cooking plantain right now. I'm doing right now. Before I used to sometimes I cut in half. I wrap in plastic paper each side. I cut the 2 sides up to here, and I place it in the microwave and heat about 5 minutes. I believe so. I think so. I don't remember. It's been a long time. And it's done. It's ready. It's sweet, very good. It's tasty, but better than steaming. But the thing, using microwave too many, I don't know is that any side effect or not. So I try to steam it right now, but sometimes I use a microwave too, because sometimes I'm really lazy, and then it tastes more better. That's why I I still use them. Another way you're cooking, then that's you boiling, but I suggest not so, because the sweet will get out, so you lose some sweet. So that's the best way right now if you don't want microwave cooking. Okay, see you later. When it's done, I will show you again. Here it's now. It's the time. It's ready. It's done. You can see this is split in half and it's turned yellow. Before, like I cook half the way, like about 5 minutes, so I leave them like this. Now they done. One of them, if one of them is split like this, another two, I'm sure they split it already, but they upside down in the bottom. Yep, this split on the bottom. This not yet. Oh, this probably this because too big. Is this not yet? This turn a little bit, so I can put the lid for about 5 more minutes. It's done. Okay, that is cooked plantains. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.